Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to set up Zoom Phone. To use Zoom Phone, you need a Zoom Phone license. Log in to Zoom Admin Portal and go to Admin, Phone System Management and Users and Rooms. Assign a Zoom Phone license to each user who will use the service. Navigate to the Phone System Management, then Phone Numbers. Click the plus Add to get a new number or port an existing one. Assign numbers to users and their users and rooms, then assign number. Set up call handling rules like business hours versus after hours routing, voicemail and call forwarding, or auto receptionists and IVR menus. Go to Phone System Management and Call Queues. Create a new queue and assign members, or go to the auto receptionist to set up a virtual receptionist with routing rules. You can make or receive calls via Zoom desktop app or mobile app. Now, make test calls, check voicemail, and try out SMS or call forwarding features. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching.